Ben Rhodes today, major points. He had Christmas decorations on the bookshelf behind. This is
Oh,
going to be
boy.
the new competition.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Look at this. Look at this.
You happy?
Decorations
Happy
complete.
now?
Leo just decked the halls.
Previously on TWiT. Tech News Weekly.
Some late-breaking news that's really interesting. HBO Max is going to get all of Warner Media's 2021 movie catalog the day that they hit the theater. That's a pretty big deal.
This week in Enterprise Tech.
We're going to talk about the fascinating research around developing eye tracking and just how it can help your organization make some critical business decisions.
This is a set of eye tracking glasses. This is Tobii Pro Glasses 2, and the glasses record their visual attention during that process.
Hands-on Android.
Google announced that its free Google Photos cloud storage is going away, but I'm going to show you how to create your own cloud storage for your photos next.
Hands-on Tech.
Got something brand new, an Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch. But it's not how it looks outside that matters, it's what's inside that counts.
TWiT. Working at home with you.